Oh! Where is everybody?
How's everyone doing?
Good.
All right. So what we actually have here is our friends Vernon and Sandy have this beautiful 67 Fastback that my brother and I fell in love with probably about 2 years ago. And so we started a plan to turn their 2006 Mustang GT, which they had bought it, never seen it. It was the ugliest damn car I've ever seen in my life. It had a Jack Sparrow theme to it, to put it simply. So if you guys could have seen this car before, it was rough. So the intention was to try to make a 2006 look exactly like their 67, down to the smallest detail. And they've been waiting for quite a while. So here's our reveal of their 2006 show stealing car. Oh, yeah. Well, look at it. Take a look.
Can we get closer to it?
Yeah. Well, let these guys get close to it.
All right.
And let them.
Oh my goodness, the ponies. Even the ponies.
Oh,
My car.
also, these are yours.
Oh, yeah, that would be nice. Wow. Wow.
Might have a little more room in that one. Yeah. But it needs some parking too.
Whoa.
You notice how you see your gas tank down there?
Oh yeah.
We took a new one that Dad hadn't cut the top off of it, and basically when we moved the EVAP system up, we used that as a cover. So it would have that actual 67 look where you see part of the gas tank.
Congratulations.
Just from the inside.
Same your car?
Yeah. It's different.
I really thought it was
Oh my goodness.
There's weird things on your car that a lot of people probably wouldn't have picked up. But like, we noticed, you know, your shield thing here was painted black, your engine thing, so we did yours black, and this part was silver, so we made sure yours was. Because those things just come kind of cast. And even your turn signals are the same to where they're cast as well.
How's it feel sitting in it finally?
It feels totally wonderful. Wow.
Where'd everybody go?
Dude, these things are probably about to blow. This thing has been kind of on our docket and our radar for about 2 years. We started the work this year in January on it, and conceptualizing a car and coming up with things was a very, very big team effort, from Dad to Randy to Garrett, even Danny, me, you, Joey, and the help of Vernon and Sandy. Also want to give a big thanks to Mr. Tim Dunaway from Dunaway Garage. Follow Dunaway Garage on Instagram. And that guy does some crazy, crazy builds, and he's just a crazy, crazy guy. And of course, Joel also. Make sure you follow Joel online at Instagram and all that stuff. Obviously, it was a big day for you guys. It's been a long time coming. How you feeling?
Wow.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Beyond
Is it
words.
everything that you guys hoped it could be?
And more.
And more.
And
Way
more?
more.
Okay, good. It was a very long process, and you guys have been amazing to deal with. You guys have just been, friends, leaned on you at times and stuff, just to kind of make sure that your vision of what you wanted for the car and our vision was, parallel with each other, and that we can make it happen.
Just knowing you guys the last few years, and it's everything that I knew that talking to y'all that y'all are capable of doing. Now seeing it, it's even more.
So if you had to pick a favorite thing about the car, what would it be?
Front and rear end. I mean, those were the biggest things, from seeing what was from before to what I see now. It is night and day.
Yeah, and people don't understand the proportions game that you play. You always have the variable of, well, what's the car have there that we can cut or we can't cut or we can add to. Getting the dimensions right is incredibly difficult on these cars. And I really think the front and the back, dimensionally, is awesome. I mean, you get these two cars beside each other, how similar they are is unbelievable. Sandy, you told me something in the car when we were sitting in it. We had a moment. It was very nice. Look, I'm not somebody that wants things. I usually want good things for other people. I want this car. I want it.
Too.
And
I did say that.
We're standing over there while you're over here starting this.
huh?
And she leans over and she says, mine's prettier than yours.
Oh, I was wondering that. I was wondering if it was going to become a competitive. Randy said something similar. Randy said, what? I kind of think I like the way some of the lines are on this thing a little better. It just depends. You know what I'm saying? It's going to always depend on the person. I can't wait for you guys to drive this thing, just have a blast. And this is everything that some previous builds that we did should have been. I'm extraordinarily happy with the results. I mean, little details like even making sure your antenna was right, the same exact exhaust tips, the GT emblems in the same place, making sure the grill surroundings look the same.
In all honesty, I mean, it really looks like you taken a 67 and modified it to this.
That's why I told you on the phone, is I said, it really looks just like a resto modded 67. It looks like it has a resto mod lean with the wheels. It looks like it has just almost like a chopped roof line. That's kind of been a resto mod thing. So it really has a resto modded look, in my opinion. But even little things, like making sure that we got your white letters the exact same. We wanted to make sure we had that done.
The black chrome.
The lines in it are just perfect.
I think she wants to hear the exhaust from the back.
I want to see that smiling face right there. That's it.
Oh yeah.
All right, glad you're here. Look, a lot of people drove a really long way to be here. So let's everyone put their hands together for the people that logged the miles, came a long way. All of you guys out there, let's give a round of applause for Duncan Brothers Customs. Okay? Yeah, okay? All right. We want to thank everyone else for showing up. It's great to be right here in Houston, Texas for a great reveal. And, we're so glad that it's being able to play on Mustangs on a Mission. This is an important thing. And we can't be thankful enough to be right here in this moment, in this place. Thank you, guys.
That's a wrap.
Oh, thank God. Let's go get some Taco Bell.
Oh, you're buying.